Hello, I'm back once again on my own old MacBook Air 2012 running EndeavourOS, an Arch Linux based distribution with amazing results. Not streaming today on any of my services, three services like Kick, Twitch or YouTube. I'm just recording locally. And I wasn't so sure what to talk about, but since I've made some changes related to my desktop environment, I thought it's better for you to see these new changes and discuss a couple things that I didn't mention the other times even. Anyway, so let's go. First of all, little detail but a good one in my opinion is the menu here, for example. You can instantly go at the edges of it and resize it as you see fit. Usually I don't like to have the menu too wide or too long, so I have it like this, for example, around here. Something like that, for example. Let's open up the information for the system. Let's keep it here and let's have the terminal as well. Okay, and let's have the system resources as well. So yeah, why not? Now, if you remember the other time from my other video, I could press a keybind on the keyboard or do a hot corner expose, macOS like expose effect. Now we'll do it via keybind. It's like this, okay, and then I select the window. Cool, right? Instant, boom, 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 boom. Anyway, instead of the corner though with the mouse or the mousepad, I changed this using the XFce dashboard, which is more something closer to macOS mission control. So I can see all the workspaces and all the open apps. So like so. This is it. These are my other four workspaces, and these are my other two apps that I have open. This is the media control, and up here I have in shaded appearance the OBS Studio recorder, like so. Boom, boom. Okay. So once again, hot corner expose. And then moving to the desktop that I want. I will click here the XFce information. Boom, here. Okay. Anyway, how do you install this one? Because I'm using EndeavourOS, I had to grab it from the repository, and it turns out that I had to use the yay command in order to do it. So I used this one basically. In order to grab it, yay, space, dash, capital S, XFdashboard. And then you install it and be done with it. Very easy, very cool stuff. Now close these windows. So yeah, I quite like this one, and it has some other tricks as well. So if I want to, for example, let's just open up Thunar, and if for example I want to move between apps, I can do this in different workspaces, I mean, like I showed you before. Boom, again, boom. Of course I can use the method, the typical classic method of Alt-Tab, like so. See? Then I can click with the mouse or just release the Alt tab and be there. And this is the OBS now. Anyway, as you can see, the system is quite snappy. Let's open up a few more things like Firefox, for example. Why not? And I will show you soon the options of the dashboard. So here we are, dashboard settings. These are the settings that I'm using at the moment. You can use different themes as well, and of course plugins. So yeah, quite cool. I'm getting closer and closer to have the system as I please, as I like it, according to my own taste, so to speak. And also some other system changes that I made related to this are here on workspaces. I'm using 4 workspaces with 0 margins. And then also I think it's here. No, it's not here. Desktop, I think. Now basically it loads all the wallpapers that I have. As I told you, I have like 450, something like that. I have very many high resolution desktops, wallpapers even. Let me see. No, there are way more. I remember this wrong. Okay. It's almost 650. My bad. Even more. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, the system now records and tries to load up all the wallpapers. Now it's ready. Anyway. And yeah. What else? Let me check something more. Oh yeah, window manager tweaks, exactly, yeah. These are the other things that I've customized to my liking. Focus, accessibility, workspaces, placement, compositor. Actually, if I was sane, I should have unchecked most of this stuff, but yeah, not today, not just yet. Plenty of effects that I should not be using in this system, but I can't help it. It's quite pleasing to use the system as is. It's like very snappy, you know. It's like boom, 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 boom. Amazing. And yeah, the more I use it, the more I prefer it to keep it this way. I even, as I said, I'm using Kdenlive to do the video edits and everything, and then Audacity. Yeah, it's a beast. The machine seemingly is a beast. It's like with the EndeavourOS, I mean, it's a beast. I think it's mostly usable for anyone, even nowadays, anyone. For office usage, anyone could use it. Maybe a student, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, it's quite capable, is what I'm trying to say. And once again, boom, 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 boom. Mission control, boom. Mission control, boom. No problem at all. I'm moving with the keyboard between the spaces instantly. It's like almost breaking no sweat, you know. And yeah, one last trick about the dashboard is that you can, for example, have you can click the apps here as well. For example, boom. Instead of trying to search here on the sides, boom, instant. And then you can also have, if you want to load another app, for example, right, Boom. It's like it reminds me Ubuntu or something. Little reminds me little of Mac OS, GNOME. Yeah, this is a test. As you can see, no sweat. Truly anyone could use this system nowadays. Yeah, so I think that's it for today. Let's quit it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you next time. Maybe I will stream as well and record manually, but yeah, see you next time, and until then, have a good one, and I wish you the best with what's happening around the world. I wish you the best, really. Good luck. Bye.